I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to resize an image in Affinity Studio. Step 1. Open the image you want to resize in Affinity Studio and then click Document at the top of this screen to open a menu. Step 2. Click to expand Setup in this menu. Step 3. Click Resize to open another submenu and then click Document. The Resize Document menu opens where you'll see your current image size dimensions, the size units, DPIs, and resample type. Step 4. Make any adjustments you need to adjust your image and then click Resize. Your image will be resized immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.